Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your car to shine like it just came out of the showroom, a good car buffer polisher can make a huge difference. These tools help remove scratches, restore paint, and give your vehicle a professional level finish right at home. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best car buffer polishers in 2026 based on performance, ease of use, durability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Chemical Guys 10FX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. First on our list is the Chemical Guys 10FX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, a complete 9-piece detailing kit designed for both beginners and professionals. This polisher features a powerful 700-watt motor with an 8mm orget, which delivers smooth and consistent polishing results. It also includes a digital display for speed control, making it easy to adjust the polishing intensity depending on the job. The kit comes with polishing pads, compounds, and polishes, so you have everything you need to start detailing right away. What makes this kit stand out is its user-friendly design and professional performance. The random orbital motion helps prevent paint damage while still delivering a deep and glossy finish. It works great for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even motorcycles. Pros: complete detailing kit, powerful 700-watt motor, safe random orbital action, easy-to-use digital speed display. Overall, the Chemical Guys 10FX is perfect for anyone who wants a professional-grade detailing kit with everything included. Number 2. SPTA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. Next up is the SPTA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, a compact and portable polishing solution. This tool runs on 12-volt lithium rechargeable batteries and features a brushless motor with variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the polishing speed for different surfaces. It also comes with multiple polishing pads, making it ideal for waxing, polishing, and light scratch removal. The biggest advantage of this polisher is its cordless design, which makes it extremely convenient for quick detailing jobs or working in tight spaces. Despite its compact size, it still delivers impressive polishing performance for everyday car maintenance. Pros: cordless and portable, brushless motor for efficiency, variable speed control, lightweight design. If you want a portable and easy-to-use polisher, the SPTA cordless model is a great option. Number 3. BATOCA Dual Action Polisher. At number 3, we have the BATOCA Dual Action Polisher, a reliable 700-watt random orbital polisher designed for car detailing. It features a 6-inch polishing plate and 6 variable speed settings, allowing you to handle different tasks like waxing, buffing, sanding, and polishing. The package also includes multiple polishing pads, so you can get started right away. This polisher offers a great balance between power and control, making it suitable for beginners while still powerful enough for more serious detailing work. The dual action motion also helps reduce the risk of damaging the car's paint. Pros: powerful 700-watt motor, 6 variable speed settings, dual action safety design, good value for money. The BATOCA Dual Action Polisher is an excellent mid-range option for home car detailers. Number 4. SPTA 18-volt Cordless Car Polisher. Coming in at number 4 is the SPTA 18-volt Cordless Car Polisher, a powerful cordless option designed for serious detailing enthusiasts. It features a 15mm orbit with a speed range of 2,000 to 4,800 OPM and includes 2 4.0 AH batteries for extended runtime. The kit also includes multiple sponge and wool pads, making it suitable for polishing, waxing, and finishing. Thanks to its larger orbit and strong motor, this polisher delivers professional-level polishing results while still being cordless. The extra batteries and included carrying bag make it very convenient for longer detailing sessions. Pros: powerful 18-volt cordless performance, large 15mm orbit for faster polishing, includes 2 batteries, comes with multiple polishing pads. If you want cordless freedom with strong polishing power, the SPTA 18-volt polisher is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Saker Cordless Buffer Polisher. Finally, we have the Saker Cordless Buffer Polisher, a compact and budget-friendly polishing kit. This 6-inch portable polisher comes with two 12-volt 2000 mAh batteries and a fast charging system. It also includes multiple pads for polishing, waxing, and detailing. This polisher is ideal for beginners or casual car owners who want a simple and affordable way to maintain their vehicle's shine. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even for longer polishing sessions. Pros: affordable price, cordless and portable, lightweight and beginner-friendly, comes with batteries and pads. The Saker cordless buffer polisher is a great budget option for basic car detailing tasks. So, that was our list of the top 5 best car buffer polishers in 2026. Whether you're a professional detailer or just someone who loves keeping their car looking brand new, one of these polishers can help you achieve a perfect shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.